Hello everyone, welcome to this new Systeme tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zoom account with your Systeme.io account. So super simple. Very first, if you don't have yet your access to my Systeme.io Launch Kit 2.0, it's the very first link in the description, and you get 4 systems that will help you to make your first $1,000 a month. With Systeme.io, just choose the system you want. You have full template, email sequence automated, everything, and tutorial, everything inside, and it's free. I give you also a few CSS codes to customize your way, your funnels, and that's it. Okay, so once you're here on your dashboard, you're going to click on the right hand side on your profile and go to settings. On the left menu, you're going to look for integrations and click on Zoom. You're going to click then on connect. And from here, you're going to choose your Zoom ID account and your password and click on connect. From here, Systeme.io and Zoom are going to ask for permission to create and update events and view users and everything. So you click on allow. And that's it, super simple, already connected. You see email address you're using, the date you created it, and the status it has. Why you want to connect your Zoom account with your Systeme.io. Let's say you use a high ticket funnel and you do coachings and you use Zoom as a tool to do your coachings and your live events and everything. So when you use the calendar option with that's inside Systeme.io, you can create a new event. And here the good thing is when you choose the location and online meeting, you can choose Zoom. And this way it's going to create the Zoom link automatically inside of your calendar. So you won't have to share the link manually to everyone that's booking a call with you or booking an event with you. Okay, super simple. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe because it helps a lot to keep going. Thank you very much. Bye.